Hi, Peter Donnelly here from Coachwood Nursery. I'd like to just give you a bit of an introduction as to what we do here and also how we came to the point of what we're doing. We're also Coachwood Organics, which means that we grow a lot of our own produce and sell some of it. And the nursery is the main part of our business, which has been for many, many years. And I'd just like to run through some of the history of the nursery and how we got to the point of being organic as we are now. Both Ruth and myself, Ruth, my wife, we started off doing horticulture over 30 years ago, and we started up a retail nursery originally and then went from retail into wholesale in Matcham, and it's called Coachwood Nursery because we had a nursery in Matcham. We moved up to Summersby here about 23 years ago, and going back before that, the reason why we went organic, we've done many things in horticulture, and one of the things we used to do is grow roses, cut flower roses, and we had to spray them because they get a lot of black spot. I was using a supposedly safe chemical and I got very, very sick, and I said then, well, that's it, I'm going to go organic. So that was the start of our organic journey. And then later on, probably about only 5 years ago now, I had some very serious health issues with an autoimmune problem that I had, and I decided then, besides going organic, that I would go look into natural cures, plants that can help to heal you naturally, because I had a real problem with some of the pharmaceutical medications I was on. So in the nursery, we specialise in succulents now because of the drought conditions we had about 10 years ago that moved us in that direction. And they're a great mainstream plant. Everyone loves them. The organic side of the business, we grow a lot of produce here. We grow nearly all of our own fruit and vegetables, all on good, sound organic principles. And I'll be running through some of those things which you can view on the website, and you're welcome to come. We have open days. We'll be having garden tours and walks, informative talks about the nursery and about the organic growing. And we'd like to see you come here, and I'm sure you'll have a great time.